Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking about an important Excel functionality which is VLookup. We basically use VLookup when we have data in two different Excel workbooks or maybe two different sheets and we want to merge them together. Say suppose if you have a data, so here I have just made a small data set. The first column is for product code, the second column is for product, and the third is the cost price. In the second workbook or sheet, I have the product code and the selling price. Suppose now if you want to calculate profits, you need to pull out selling price from the other sheet to this sheet. In that case, in such a case, we use VLOOKUPs. So I'll just quickly get started. Selling price, and here we'll calculate the profit. So what you have to do is you just have to press equal to VLOOKUP, and now it tells you. So Excel is a very self-explanatory tool. It tells you like what exactly do you have to do. Here it's asking for my lookup value. So as you can see in both the sheets, we have a common column which is B, which stands for product code. So the lookup value will be product code, the table array. So where you want to look up this value, you want to look it up in data tab 2. From here to here is our product range, and we need to find out the selling price, right? So which is the second column. So you just enter second, and then you just have to press false because you want an exact match, and you just press enter. Now you can just pull down the values. As you can see, we have a few hash names. Now, why did this happen? This happened because the ranges have started shifting down. As you can see in the first cell, you have range from B3 to C12, which is this particular range, that is from B3 to C12. But now in the second one, you have a range from B4 to C13. So it has shifted down by one bit, right? So when you perform lookup functions, you basically need to specify your array and you need to lock it. How do you lock it? You just select this range and you press F4. So there are a lot of types in which you can lock. This basically means you are fixing up your column as well as the row. So the array remains intact. Now, when you pull it down, you can see that we have all the values. There's no error or there's no hash in A's now. After this, you can just perform the normal arithmetic operation to calculate profit, which is selling price minus the cost price. And then you can just drag it down. So this is how you use VLOOKUP. This is just a very basic use case. You can always pull out multiple columns using VLOOKUP. All you need to do is you need to change the range and you need to change this particular value. So the column index number. Yeah, so I'll drop down in the description box, I'll just drop down the data set, the link to the data set. Please let us know if you like the video, drop your comments. You can always write to us. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.